The Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences have been proactive agents of transformation, all the way from demographic transformation through facilities and infrastructure changes at the campus, including redress initiatives with society.
This faculty's journey has not been without the pain and exclusion inextricably linked to South Africa's past. As part of our 70-year celebration, we want to recognize and give heartfelt thanks to the many individuals who, since the advent of democracy, began the vital work of rebuilding this faculty.
Transformation becomes a core part of our DNA as a faculty and must continue to drive the change that we wish to see both in the health services and in South Africa. We decided in the forecourt of our faculty to ensure that everyone who walks down our corridors actually sees the preamble to the Constitution.
The rock, which used to house an Afrikaans inscription by NP van Wyk Louw saying, "A buitel moet kan klip breek as hy 'n buitel is," has transformed into a place that embodies our country's rich linguistic tapestry. In order to transform the rock, South African artist Jenna Burchell, along with the campus community, literally broke it into two. Alongside this, we hosted a series of workshops to find phrases in the other official South African languages as well as Braille. We didn't want to destroy our history, but we knew that something needed to change and that change was needed to ensure that people feel represented and seen when they visit Tygerberg campus.
The Faculty Charter is an aspirational guide focused on transforming the way that the Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, staff and students interact with each other, as well as our internal and external stakeholders in the communities we serve. The Charter was launched in 2019 and was translated from English into isiXhosa and Afrikaans. The Charter is accompanied by a memorandum that outlines a list of practical recommendations for transforming the faculty.
We have uncovered a historical cemetery called Hartekraaltjie on the grounds of the faculty. Through a partnership with communities, our staff and our students, we are in the process of memorializing that cemetery.
The university's roadmap showed towards a university that understands transformation in its fullest sense, not only in terms of how we engage around equity and equality, but also in terms of how we understand our cultures, how we renew our institutional cultures, and how we allow faculties to play a role in forming new identities, also as a way to prompt research that allows this university to make its impact, and of course to invest in graduates that really understands the fullness of the diversity and the possibilities of South Africa.